Hi everyone, my name is Ilse Gomez. I'm sales manager on property and welcome to LeBlanc Spa Resorts Los Cabos. So I'm going to show you one of our room categories. This is the honeymoon suite. Honeymoon suite doesn't mean it is a room with honeymoon amenities. Honeymoon suite it's a room category that will guarantee the king size bed and the beautiful ocean view that you're going to see in a couple of moments. So I'm going to start with our beautiful bathroom. As you can see, with our amenities, we have Bulgari amenities. They're amazing. And as well, when you check in, all of our rooms will have this amazing butler service. So your butler will help you and will give you the option of getting a artisanal soap. So you have this amazing artisanal soap and the Bulgari amenities as well. All of our rooms will have a tub, as you can see. Important, they're not jacuzzis, they're tubs, but they're just amazing and fantastic. Another room category, another amenity that we'll have is aromatherapy. When you check in as well, your butler will help you and to choose different aromas of your preference. So we do have the aromatherapy. Another amenity that we have is a beautiful and really good bottle of wine. We do have a liquor dispenser. As you can see, it has the vodka, rum, and whiskey. All of this is included, so there is no extra charge for all of these amenities. You can get amazing chocolates, so this will be restocked daily. If you want to eat a chocolate every day, you can do it. And I'm going to show you the mini bar as well. So you have beer, Coke, water, chocolate, milk chocolate, and juice that you can mix with your bottles or just drink them by themselves. So another amenity that we have in this room category, and actually in all of our rooms, will be this beautiful bag. It's not just for your use in here, you can actually take it home with you. And important nowadays, we do have a little welcome called Purely LeBlanc. You will get your hand sanitizer, 2 face masks, and some little wipes to clean your cell phone. So as you see, our rooms are very spacious as well, and as I was mentioning, you do get the king size bed and that amazing ocean view. So now we're gonna see a junior suite. These rooms are located at the very end, at the corner of our building. So the view and the location of these rooms are amazing. You will have the same amenities. Actually, all of our rooms will get the same amenities, which is the bottle of wine, the bottle of tequila, all the snacks, and the mini bar. But the main difference of this room is you have more space. You'll get a little, like sitting area, a little table, and more space in the room. You get the same aromatherapy. You get as well a pillow menu, which can be personalized with your butler service, and the corner side view.